declared, assassinate me. You know, what is it? Just trying to do my job.
Hannah, I'll get your friend.
Tried and settled. During the intake process, these inmates are immediately separated. We put them in the isolation cells, but whenever we get here, we do a walk around. Isn't that busy the one we just done yesterday? No. Yeah, it's combative. This gentleman's isolated because he's combative with the staff. So we wouldn't be surprised when he's ready to go upstairs for his permanent housing. We get involved to move him in case he starts fighting. Unlike in prison, jail inmates often arrive fresh from a crime scene. The most dangerous are those who are still high or intoxicated. Currently, about 7 out of every 10 people that are booked in are under the influence of some form of drug. That's a big deal because depending on where the person is and what drug they took is going to depend on their attitude. Some people can have major mood swings where they might be cooperative 1 minute and then they can just go ballistic another. Cause a disturbance or any other part of the jail. The SWAT unit known as SRT with a special response team is summoned to quell the problem.
Say bye, Hannah. Bye-bye.